Hello guys, in today's video let's create a customer community portal and I will explain you what are the licenses we use for that and how to create a user and how to log into that user from the Salesforce, because in the partner community video we have seen how to log in outside the Salesforce. So in this I will show you from the Salesforce how to log in. Generally partners will have access to the Salesforce also, so they can join from the Salesforce, like they have to go to contact and then log in from there. For customers we will not give the access to the Salesforce, we will only allow them to log in outside the Salesforce, that is from the portal only. So I have explained you how to log in from the portal in the partner community video, so please do check there. And now let's first deactivate this one. This is the site which I have created earlier. Let's go to settings. Okay, in the administration settings we have to go to administration settings and then let's deactivate the theme. Okay, this is deactivated now. Now let's create a new one. Okay, new. Go to service, since we are creating the customer, right? That's why. Let's choose this one. Get started. And what is it? It's Spark Bank, so let's give the same for our site also. And enter a URL for your site. Okay, this is not optional, right? So for partner portals it will be optional. Okay, let's create. It will take time. Meanwhile, let's log into the Salesforce. Salesforce setup. We can go from here, and then let's check if we have any accounts. We have an account and we have contacts also, so we will create a new account and then we'll do. And let's check the page layouts. Do we have any options? Did we add any options like enable as partner and all those? I think yeah, we have added. Contact, it should have now enable custom as a customer user. Now go to page layout, because we are using the customer community now, so we don't need this enable partner user, portal user, and then now we should add enable customer user, since we are using the customer portal. Even if you add the enable partner user, it will not show that button to you. And then we have to add login to experience as user. This is how you will log into the portal. And this login to experience as user we generally use for the partner portals, not the customers, because customers will not be having access to the Salesforce. We will just creating the accounts for them. Now just go to builder. We can see the theme and everything. So about how to use these components and all the other themes I have already explained you. Let's give it as guest users without logging in permission, because all the customers should be able to access without logging in, right? So that's why. And then we have to add the licenses, right? So go to the members, choose customer, and then add customer community plus login user. Okay, these are the licenses which we use for the customers, so we can add any of those and then click on save. And if you check login and registration, generally for the customer portals we will enable them to self registration also, so click on it. And then profile, you can choose customer community plus account, it's your wish. So if you want all your customers under one account, you can choose it here. If not, you can just leave it that way. Now settings have been saved. In case if you get any error like you should allow contacts to self register, for that you should go to the all sites, go go to the settings of digital experience settings, and then you have to enable this option. Then you will be able to self register. Then after this is done, we have added our license, and then let's publish. So once we publish our site, we will receive email that site is published, and let's check whether our theme is site is active or not. So let's activate that. It is activated now. Okay, sometimes it will take multiple clicks. Now this is also activated. If you want to preview your site, you can just click on preview, and then you can check all this. Also you can view as authenticated user and then guest user. Now this guest user is enabled because we have made our site public, right? So here we made public, that's why. So before watching this customer community video, you can just watch the partner community video which I made earlier. That is very clear. I have explained everything in detail. And let's have separate videos for how to use the CMS collection and all these. Click on new account. Let's do with the account, and then put it as Park Bank primary customer. Save. Now go to contact and create a new contact for this. Let's have customer 1, and then email as, you have to give proper email. Select this is the email which will be used to create the user also. So in order to get a welcome email, you should add this correctly. If you don't add it here, it will be wrong in the user creation also. Though you have an option to edit, it is very important that you have the emails updated in both the places. Okay, and then save it. Now let's enable this as a partner. Now let's go to contact, enable customer user. Now it will be redirecting to the user, and then you can give your name, customer 1 or anything. So we have given customer community, what did we give in the members? Customer community plus login user. So plus login, we have added this. So if you choose the other profile, then they won't be able to log into the portal. So you have to choose the correct profile. Save. Okay. Okay, it's a duplicate nickname, so let's put it as CUS Park, something like that. Okay, now we are good with this. And remember, for partner portals, the license will already give access to the leads, opportunities, campaigns, whereas for the customer user profiles, it will not give, because for customers, they don't need access to these. Actually, they need access to what? FAQs, topics, all those. So if you check in the standard object also, you won't be able to find that the lead is available for them. Lead won't be there at all. Okay, even if you check clearly, lead won't be there. So the license will set the permission automatically. That is why we use those license. If you don't want to use this license, and if you want to give a separate permission, then you can do that also. Okay, and then we are good with this. And let's see how to log in from the contact. So we will go to the contact, and then we should open this and click on login to experience as user. So this is how it will redirect. Okay, and then you can log in from here. You will be back to Salesforce. But generally we will not give this option to the customers. Why? Because customers will not have access to the Salesforce. This how to log in from the portal, I haven't given this example in the previous video, so I'm covering it here. and then I think I'm using my wrong user. Okay, never mind. So this is how you have to uh, log in, and then oops, okay, something went wrong. Okay, I gave the wrong username. Okay, we are back to the Salesforce. Now I have shown you how to log in from the contact also, and in the coming videos I will tell you how to use the CMS collection, and let's start building a website. Okay, whether it's a partner or whether it's a customer, the only difference is license. Okay, the license and the use case. Okay, let's see one more thing, like person account. So till now we are creating account and then contact, and then we are enabling the account as partner and logging in, enabling as customer user or partner user on the contact, and then logging in. So if it is person account, then we don't have to create all those. It will be available on the, I don't think we have enabled person accounts in this org. Let me check. Person account. Okay, it is already enabled. So okay, I have to add the person account. I think it's not showing up now. Yeah. So let's do one thing. Let's add person account for us. Record types do we have? Okay, we have one custom, and in the person account we will have the person account record type. Yes, we have. Let's assign this. Let's assign to the system administrator. Oh, it's already there. Let's choose this and then save it. I think now we can create the person accounts also. Okay, why is it showing up? Let me check. To account. Should go to profiles. Go to system administrator profile. Types. Okay, default is this one, so click edit. Let's add this also and then save it. Now we will be able to see both the options. Now let's go and refresh. Click on sorry, what is this? Now click on new. Why is it showing up? Okay, now it is showing. I think that's a technical glitch maybe. I will choose person account and then click next. I will add it as person ACC. Okay, just to understand the difference, and let's not bother about all these details. And then click on save. You can add any number of things, any number of fields over here. So if you observe here, we have added enabled customer user. Now it's on the account only because this is a person account. But if you check on the normal account, Jonathan, so you won't be able to see any enable as customer user because it's an account. So that is the difference between the person account. So you can just enable it and it will again redirect to the user. You can set up the new user with the login which you want. These are the logins it will show. So whatever you have added in the site as a member, you have to choose that one, and this is how you will create from the person accounts. Okay, and number of accounts or number of users you can create in the basic developer edition is 5. you cannot create more than that. So that's the free edition, right? So only 5 you can create. And this is all about customer community and using the different. And in order to understand all this, you have to just first go to the introduction videos and watch those, and then if you come here you can understand very clearly. Thank you.